Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to create Shopify collections for beginners in 2024. So today we're going to guide you through the process of creating collectors on your Shopify store in 2024. Of course, collections are essential for organizing your products and making it easier for customers to find what they're looking for specifically. Whether you are setting up your first collection or refining your existing ones, this tutorial will help you get started. So make sure to stick by and let's get started.
Make sure to watch us from now till the end so you have full experience.
First, you'll need to go and access your Shopify admin panel. To do so, go and open a browser, go to the CRL section. Of course, for me here, I'm using Brave. For you, you can use whatever you want. And as you can see, go to the CRL section, type shopify.com, and this should take you to the home screen or main screen of Shopify. Here, click on login to log into your account if you have one, or click on start free trial to create a new account. You can use Google if you don't want to get through all the boring steps of creating or even logging in into your account. Once you're there, you'll find yourself on once you enter, of course, your information and logged in or created your account, you'll have to create your store if it's your first time, and you should find yourself on the admin panel right away here. So basically what you'll need to do, go to this list panel and make sure to click on this product options. As you can see, once you do so, here you'll find your products. Of course, you can simply export this product, import products from another store like Amazon, Etsy, Equid, any store that you have. And you'll be able here to add more products as an example. And you have here more actions. As example, here it will show you the analytics bar of your products and etc. So where are the collections? How can you create some collections? Basically, if you go, once you click on products here, as you can see on the left panel, something here shows like a menu. We have the menu of collections. Basically, just go and click on that collection menu. And as you can see, you find yourself on the page of collections. Normally, you'll find this, if it's your first time, of course, you'll find this homepage collection is there by default. If you click on it as an example, you'll be able to add or click on manage here, and you'll be able, of course, to manage like the sales channel, and you'll be able even to add whatever products you want to this specific like collection. So if you go here to products example, maybe I want to add all these products to the home like page, and as you can see, it's already added and updated. So if you go and click on view, you'll be able to view it right away on your store, as you can see on the home page collection. So here, if we go back to collection, so you can see home page, I have 4 products now on it. So of course, I can click on it and delete whatever products I want. Example, maybe this one, all good. Now I'll go back. As you can see, just 2 products. So for us, we would like to show you how to create a new collection. How to do so? Basically, you can click on this plus button right here, as example, and this will create a new collection with the name, etc. Example, click on text. Here you'll be able to create, first of all, view if you want to for like some specific collections. So example, this test, and I'll put like a test 2 collection. And so example, this test 1, I'll put some collections on it, and test 2 will put some collections. Of course, you can delete it or duplicate it, do whatever you want with it, or you can simply put everything on the same option or the same file or folder. So here, once you create your folder, example, you can click on create collection at the top right corner, where you should be able to start creating your collection. So example, here you can create a collection that you want. So this collection example, I will name it like the cheapest. So I'll just name it cheapest, why not? And here, of course, I'll have to add a description for it. So you can choose like how you're going to write with, like the font basically, and you can make some adjustment to the text. As you can see, you can add some hyperlinks, image, video, table example, and a lot of other stuff. Of course, you can even show HTML if you want to type everything with HTML code. If you're good at it, you can even use ChatGPT to help you out, writing an HTML code or even writing a description. So, as example here, I'll just open a new tab, just basically go to chat.openai.com and hit the enter button. I'll basically just go and open ChatGPT, log into your account if you want to save your chat. And as you can see here, I'll just type, I wanna like add a description. A description for my new collection, my store. So for my new collection and my store for the cheapest items. So for the cheapest item, can you give me a good one words as an example, hit the enter button, and it should create like a good description for us as an example. Here, I'll just go and copy this. Of course, make sure to read this first of all. If you like it, just copy it and enter it. If you don't, make sure to tell them an adjustment to make. So, example here, just go and put that in here, and it should be good to go. So, as example here, the collection type is manual, which you'll be able to add products on this collection one by one, or you want it to be automated. As example, existing and future products that match the conditions. Of course, you set automatically be added to this collection. So if you want to add products manually, like all the products that you simply add in the future, if you want to add them manually, you can simply choose this option. If you wanted them to add it automatically, you can simply choose that. So conditions or the products must match all the conditions or any condition. So if you want all the conditions, so it should, like as example, match the condition 1, 2, 3. Of course, you can add multiple conditions or any condition, like one of the conditions that you set. Once it's match just one, it will be added to this condition. If you choose all condition, it should match all the conditions, then it will enter this automated section. As example, here as example, I'll just go and choose for the condition 1, the price. So as example, it should be less than, and here I'll put maybe 20 of my currency. So now, as you can see, this collection will include all products with at least one variant that match the price. So because like I name it's the cheapest. So if a product has a price less than 20, it will be added automatically to this collection, which is named the cheapest. And of course, as you can see with the description, everything. And as you can see, that's how it's going to be looking like on the SEO. So if you like it, you can add an image even to this collection example. So I'll just add a random image in here. Like I example this one, you can manage the sales channel. You can give it a template, then click on save. Once you do so, the collection should be added without any problems. So now go to collections. As you can see, I'll find here 2 products added automatically in it because it's less than 20. So you can even click on it and view it on the store. As you can see, like I have our products in here and with the variants of it. And yeah, that should be good to go. As you can see with description and everything. So that's going to be it for me today. Thank you for watching and goodbye.